Callie, would you get up and walk around? Because I want people to see what you looked like before your haircut. That a good girl. That a good girl. Oh, your mommy's going to give you a treat? Just like back at home. Just like back at home. Okay, girl.
There. Look at him now, Cal.
That's different recordings. Huh.
Good girl.
Now it's recording. Oh, she's gorgeous.
Isn't she pretty?
Hi, Cal. Callie, look up here.
Cal. Oh, look at you. Yeah, look at how nice you look. There. Let Mommy and Daddy see you.
You even have bows in your hair.
Lilac.
Oh, lilac, of course.
Good, Cal. So you're getting all that?
I think so.
Good, Cal. You were a hungry little devil, weren't you? Okay, here comes your brother.
Okay, let him out. No, let him greet her. Isn't she beautiful, guys?
Doesn't she look nice?
Have you changed your opinion of her a little bit?
Yeah, doesn't she look
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, look at you.